Take it away. Okay. It's 5 o'clock. We're the first ones out here. You know how the saying goes, right? The early bird
gets the worm.
Okay, well that's us.
Early.
That's you, or is that me?
It's me.
Oh my gosh, well, I'm getting ready. This always helps me find the worm a little faster if I do a little warm up here. You can hear the fury. Okay. Oh my gosh, there's a big worm. He's so loud. Do you hear him?
Beep, beep, beep.
Mari, go away. Oh, I forgot I had these rocket propelled roller skates on. Okay. Okay, I'll tell you what. I'll share with you. Okay, just because you're my sister, I'll share with you. All right?
You're so great.
But I'm going to give you the smaller half. Is that okay? Is that okay?
No, it's not.
Oh, no. Well, if that's not okay, then neither is this crazy, loud dance I'm going to do.
Oh, yeah? Well, that can't compare with my really loud voice.
Okay, it's all right. You know, just take the worm. It's okay. You win. You can have the worm. But you can't have this grasshopper. Ah! See you later.
Whatever.